Manu Energy Systems Private Limited has been established to execute power projects. The promoters are a group of highly qualified and experienced professionals in power sector as well as infrastructure. Dikku Hydroelectric Project has been awarded to MESPL in MOU route by Government of Nagaland. Entered a memorandum of agreement to develop the project on board basis as a joint venture project between MESPL and Government of Nagaland. The CEA approved cost of the project is about rupees 19,950 millions equals to 300 million US dollars. The proposed project layout and model of the project site submergence details are shown. There is no single village settlement in the submergence area. All the villages are much above the full reservoir level. Only the land about 2,440 hectares are required for the project. There is no forest land. Government of Nagaland has already given the clearance for the same. All the statutory approvals are in place. Critical clearance from Central Electricity Authority, that is Techno and Economic Clearance, has been obtained on 31st March 2014. The proposed construction of the project is about 60 months. Construction period will be minimized to 48 to 54 months. The project is scheduled to commission by early 2022 and starts commencing of commercial power generation. Project model has been displayed in the exhibition held by Department of Power in Independence Day celebrations as a state's flagship project. Easily accessible to the project site. Proper approach roads are built to reach the project site at any time. Wooden bridges are built to cross the river in non-monsoon season. The project is proposed at a distance of 380 meters from the confluence point of rivers Dikku and Yangnu. Public hearing meetings were conducted to hear the people's objections. No specific objections except minor demands of roads and connectivity to 2-3 villages. Environmental Committee constituted by MOEF Government of India had visited the site and held community consultations with local people who has given their support to construct the project. Temporary guest house and other sheds have been built to enable to carry out the survey and investigation works, DPR studies, etc. Site survey and investigation equipment like rain and river gauges and MEQ studies equipment has been installed. Investigation works under progress at the project location. Core material obtained by drilling the geological boreholes have been preserved as per the standards and sent for laboratories for testing. Salient features of Dikku Hydroelectric Project. Pictorial representation of hydroelectric project. Views of project during construction. Futuristic views of Rockfield Dam under construction. Futuristic views of switchyard under construction. View of powerhouse with various equipment under construction. View of chute spillway under construction. View of diversion tunnel under construction. Views of project on completion. View of Rockville Dam after construction. View of powerhouse and switchyard after completion of construction of the project. View of chute spillway with spill of water. Corporate social responsibility. Nagaland, the land of festivals. The project will become a tourist place. Generates direct and indirect employment. Medical facilities will be provided for the staff and their families living in the township and also local people as a gesture. Education facilities will be provided by building schools and employing teaching faculty to impart better education to the children from primary to higher school education levels. By creating the reservoir, fishing facilities, water and roadways will be available to the people to earn the income for their livelihood and easy access to their villages respectively. A residential township will be developed to the employees working in the project. Hygienic and filtered drinking water facilities will be provided in the township and also to the neighboring local people. Nurseries will be maintained and plantation will be made time to time to maintain the atmosphere as pollution free. Views on power shortage by eminent people in the Indian power sector. Final view of the project. 3D view of Rockville Dam. 3D view of chute spillway. 3D view of powerhouse. 3D view of headrace tunnel, diversion tunnel 1 and diversion tunnel 2. 3D view of switchyard. 3D view of reservoir. View of all the main components of the project.